Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about throwing an exception, part of programming in C++ course. Throwing an exception in C++ involves creating an exception object and sending it to the nearest exception handler. The throw keyword is used to throw an exception. The general form of the throw statement is as below, where exception object is an object of any type, such as built-in data type or a user-defined type. The type of the exception object determines the type of the exception. Here is an example of throwing an exception. In this example, the divide function checks if the divisor y is 0, and if it is, throws an exception of type invalid argument with an error message. The exception object is caught in the catch block in the main function, and its error message is printed to the screen using what method. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.